William Rambel here, and today's video is our room tour and review in this The Room Capsule Hotel here at 77 Geylang Road. So let's go this way, guys. I'll show you how beautiful here, or it's really affordable and it's really nice. So tara. 77 Geylang Road. So i-check natin, guys. Oh, hi guys. So ganito siya. Pindot makadato. Dili makapover. Yeah. So let's say makapali.
They will tell me, yeah, so
I will see first. I will show her this. Morning, guys. Can we see? And this is her room. Room is over here. So maani siya, guys. Unsa na siya bariyot? So this is their.
okay.
Kini imong room ba yun?
Yeah.
Let's check her rooms. Okay, we'll take out our slippers. So, hi guys. We're gonna check the room. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Hi. Ganito lang siya, guys. Oh wow. Uy, suga iyot. Di ko kakita. Guys, nang check me. Uy, ang ganda pala ng capsule na ko. Uy, maghilabot ko diri na ako. Mga tawang mablit ako. Oh wow, okay siya dito. Oh guys,
Pwede ka din mag-ano.
oh, ganito siya, guys.
Ito na yung Dubai.
So, ganito.
Saan mo ba?
So, it's all for girls around this area, guys. And the toilet area, wow. Locker number 10, open your door. Wow, so your things will be all safety, guys. Oh my gosh, ganito lang siya, guys.
Limping.
Nice, guys. So this is their toilet areas. This is like good for backpackers, man, persons, guys who stay in here.
Myself. Photo myself.
This is here. So you can keep your $5 or less.
Galing Germany.
This is from Germany, Philippines, or around the world. Oh.
Burabali. Burabali.
Oh, taga Bali.
Local.
Wow. Local.
Berlin.
This also. The room also. And we are now here at the bus stop area, and it's convenient because it's nearby to Kalang MRT. Guys, it's nearby to the Kalang MRT. It's just walking distance, or over there is already bus stop here, so it's really convenient for you when you come here to stay for a few days and affordable. So that's it, guys. I told you all over here already. So thanks for watching. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified on my next video vlog. Thank you. See you once again. Bye. You're gonna check it out also my other room tour, those hotels. So bye.